Okay, today we are going to be talking about the solar system. So I have created a PowerPoint just about the different planets and facts about each one. So I've created a table of contents that has a hyperlink to each of the slides, so if someone just wanted to look at one specific slide, they could click on it. So we'll go ahead and look at our first slide. So the sun is the star of our solar system, and it could hold more than 1 million Earths if it was hollowed out. It's made up of boiling hot gases, and it's an energy source to our life on Earth. And its temperature is about 5,538 degrees Celsius, so it's really hot. Next, we're going to be talking about Mercury and Venus. So Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. It's also the smallest planet in our solar system. It has no atmosphere, so it's hot during the day and cold at night. 1 year in Mercury is about 88 Earth days, so it has a really short year, and its temperature is ranges from negative 173 to 427 degrees Celsius. And that's a picture of Mercury. And then Venus is the second planet from the sun, and it's similar size to Earth. It rotates in opposite directions, so that means it spins backwards. It is very hot and deadly, and 1 year on Venus is about 225 Earth days. And that is a picture of Venus. Next, we're going to be talking about Earth and Mars. So Earth is the third planet from the sun. It's also the fifth largest planet. It supports life with air, water, and land. It consists of continents, oceans, and atmosphere. And 1 year on Earth is 365 days, and its temperature ranges from negative 87 to 57 degrees Celsius. And that's a picture of Earth. The next planet we're going to be talking about is Mars, and Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It's smaller than Earth. It's rocky, dusty, and dry. It has polar ice caps like Earth. And then 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days, and its temperature ranges from negative 214 to negative 5 degrees Celsius. And that is a picture of Mars. The next planet we're going to be talking about are Jupiter and Saturn. So Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant. It has a red spot, which is a giant spinning storm. 1 year on Jupiter is about 4,331 Earth days, and its temperature is about negative 148 degrees Celsius. And it also has 49 moons. That is a picture of Jupiter. Right here you can see the red spot, which is the giant spinning storm. The next planet we're going to be talking about is Saturn, and it is the sixth planet from the sun. It's the second largest planet, but it's also very light. It is a gas planet. It has 7 flat rings, which are made up of ice, rocks, and dust. 1 year on Saturn is about 10,759 Earth days. And its temperature is about negative 178 degrees Celsius, and it has 52 moons. That is a picture of Saturn. Next, we'll be talking about Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It is the third largest planet. It is a gas planet. It is the coldest planet. 1 year on Uranus is 30,687 Earth days, and its temperature ranges from about negative 216 degrees, and it has 27 moons, and that is a picture of Uranus. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. It's the fourth largest planet. It's a gas planet, and it is also the windiest planet. And 1 year on Neptune is equivalent to 60,190 Earth days. Its temperature is about negative 214 degrees Celsius, and it has 13 moons, and that is a picture of Neptune. That's the end of the slideshow, and you can see here where I have added presenter notes. So on each slide I have a little script or key things that a presenter needs to have, and I have that for each one of the planets just like little notes to remind myself what I will be saying.